another fully funded scholarship exactly like next. So today I'm going to tell you about another great scholarship which students can apply to for undergraduate studies, and the scholarship provides 100% tuition waiver, airfare, your living expenses, all of that is fully covered under this scholarship. I'm Dipti Singh, your admissions counselor for Japanese universities. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about another such scholarship, which is a great option for you if you're looking for a fully funded scholarship in Japan. So this scholarship is called Mitsui and Company Scholarship. So let's look at some of the details of this scholarship. So this scholarship is for 5 years and it also includes 1 year of Japanese language training in Japan. And after that, you will graduate to studying in any of the undergraduate courses in Japan for 4 years. And this scholarship will cover the expenses, the tuition expenses as well as the living expenses for all these 5 years. Let's look at some of the details of what all this scholarship covers and how much is the stipend that you will be eligible for. So the scholarship, as I said, is a fully funded scholarship. So basically you get 100% tuition waiver no matter which university you go to study. Of course you have to clear the screening of that particular university. Don't get me wrong, the scholarship does not mean that in any way you are exempted from clearing the screening, interviews, or whatever the admission process of a particular university is. You have to still go through the entire process, but your tuition fee will be waived off completely. Apart from that, you will receive a monthly stipend of about 145,000 yen in Indian rupees, which means 84,000 rupees per month. And this 84,000 rupees you can use to pay for your accommodation, for your food, your utilities, transport, or however you want to basically utilize this stipend to manage your living expenses. Let's look at the eligibility. So who all can apply to this wonderful scholarship? So this scholarship is specifically for Indian students who are below 20 years of age. And second criteria is your academic criteria. So you have to have 80% in your 10th and 12th grade. So if only you have 80 or 80% or above in 10th and 12th, then you can apply for the scholarship. There is another criteria for your language proficiency. There is a requirement of at least N3 level of Japanese language proficiency. So many times in so many videos, I have been telling you how important it is for you to start learning Japanese language. It will open many doors for you, exactly like this scholarship. So this scholarship is the eligibility is that you should have at least N3 level of Japanese proficiency. You may not have level 3 certificate, but your proficiency should be that level and your preparation should be of that level. You might just have N4 certificate, but your preparation probably should be close to N3 level. This is the basic requirement and expectation. In Japan, no scholarship is awarded or even admission is not awarded without your character screening. Of course, they will be judged mainly on other soft skills and soft parameters related to your character or other side of your profile, and that goes without saying in case of Japan. And other than that, health is another factor. There can be some requirements related to health, and together with all this, if you match these criteria, you are eligible to apply for the scholarship. When does this scholarship open? Let's look at the timeline. So for last year in 2025, it opened in May and June, and selection happened after that. So accordingly, this year also you can plan your application ahead of time, and hopefully the applications will open during the same time. Please remember, no scholarship is casual planning, because the stipend is so handsome and it comes with so many benefits. So I really request students to start taking your preparation seriously and get in touch with us early so that we are able to help you with your preparation and tell you about the gaps in your profile and tell you how to plan your way to Japan. Thank you for watching the video. I really hope you have already subscribed to the channel and give a thumbs up, give a like to us, and put your comments below for anything that you want to know about scholarships in Japan, studying in Japan. We are eager to look at your comments always. Thank you.